Gonna do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it, man. I'm calling you out, Hunter's Mobile Detailing. Hey, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. 3 vehicles for today. We have a Ford Raptor here. We have a Hyundai SUV here. So we're actually probably gonna do this Tesla after we finish the truck. Gonna go ahead and make this thing look brand new for him. Hyundai is gonna get a shampoo on the interior, but there's still some stains and stuff. Got some dog hair, stuff like that. Gonna go ahead and knock these cars out, take some pictures with new windbreakers and stuff like that, and then sit back and enjoy the video. Let's go. Just need to remove these floor mats, stuff like that, because I'm gonna be rinsing and washing these off. Anyways, I like to put the seats all the way forward, right? So if I'm not recording, then I would normally start doing the door panels, but I can't do it all, man. I can't do it all. So look on the back side. You need to make sure you rinse the bed off and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and remove this one as well. Let's put this seat forward. YouTube, hopefully you guys can see me. There we go. So changed hats because that beanie, it was just way too hot. So right now I don't know what degrees it's out right now, but I'm pretty sure it's in the high 60s, almost 70 degrees, and it's just hot, man. So anyways, I finished detailing the interior, which you guys saw a little bit of the clips, and now Vic is just adding tire shine. I'm trying to get some cool pictures with my camera here, just so we can post on our website, post on Instagram and stuff like that. All right, YouTube, so we just finished up washing the Tesla and the, damn, what kind of car? It's a Hyundai. So I wasn't gonna do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it, man. I'm calling you out, Hunter's Mobile Detailing. Watch out for Hunter, man. He's using this PNS right here. I think it's PNS. It's a bead maker. And man, I'm gonna call you out, Hunter. Open this up, try it out, and if it works good, it gets my approval. If not, then we're gonna come after you, Hunter. But shout out to Hunter, man. On a serious note, I'm not calling him out. I don't have any beef, anything like that. I'm gonna go down here. And shout out to Ray is and them too, man. They hit me up all the time, trying to tell me to like keep going, keep grinding. So shout out to them, man. Hey, man, we detailers gotta stick together out here, man. But yeah, I'm saying I'm calling him out because he uses the PNS products a lot, and this is my first time using this, so I'm gonna give this a shot, let you know what I think, and keep the camera rolling. Keep the camera rolling, bro. I'm just grabbing your orange towel real quick. Gonna go ahead and spray it on the towel. Do one section at a time. Hey, man, it's crazy though, because a lot of detailers don't actually know this, but in the YouTube community, right, there's not a lot of detailers out there that are basically like making videos and putting themselves out there, you know what I mean? But us, hey man, Mendez, we trying to put Mendez on the map. You guys see we got the merch on. You feel me? I got the hoodie too. Got the hoodie. Yeah. I'm a little hot, but it's all good because I'm rocking my brand, right? So, shout out to all the detailers out there, man. I got a lot of people that I do watch on a regular, but I can't remember the names off the top of my head. Like Detail Guru, Wilson Auto Detailing, Hunter's Mobile Detailing, Purple Rain. I don't know I think it's Bandman. Nah, that's somebody else. But his name is, his detailing business is like Purple Rain or something like that. Shout out to the man. Putting in work, man. We gotta keep grinding, keep hustling. Stick together, man. We all help each other out. Especially when it comes to certain products and stuff like that. It saves you time. Because I didn't know about this product until I started watching Hunters. And, you know, what I use though is this right here. So what I usually use is this shocker here, right? Now this is something you could just buy like on Amazon and stuff like that. And don't mind my gloves, we working hard out here. But this works good. This is on Amazon. I don't remember the price. It was pretty expensive though. It was like 34 bucks, something like that, for the entire gallon. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give it my honest opinion on it. But it's good. You see it's starting to fall down. I didn't wait that long either. Like, we literally just applied it. So you guys are seeing it's starting to beat up a little bit. Stuff like that. Well, I'll give it a pass. You know, it gets the job done. It's a lot better already. So as I'm over here detailing that car, Victor's getting started on the Tesla here. And we should be finishing up. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and detail. So overall it's not that terrible, so we'll just go ahead and vacuum the last thing, being because if you watch my last video, whoa, that's zoomed in all the way. So if you watch my last video, then you know we use clients' water and electricity. So that's why we're using one thing at a time. We're not using the generator right now. So water right here, literally like come on, all we gotta do is just plug in that to our pressure washer, which we already did, but we also have the outlet connected inside the garage. I'm not gonna show y'all. I think they have a Lambo in there. They don't want us to like show off, but cord, and that's plugged into my extractor, which is on the other side. So one thing that I did was I preheated my steamer here. Now it's nice and warm. It's kind of getting low on me, but honestly the seat is not that bad. It's just that one that I'm worried about. So we have the steamer already, you know, heated up and stuff like that, and I am using the cord for my Bissell spot clean right here. So I'm gonna get started on this seat here, and Victor, like I said, is doing the Tesla. Shout out to all my hustlers out there, man. Everybody grinding and everybody getting to the money, man. That's what it's all about. I love the detailing community. I just hate the trolls. You know what I mean? People just like, oh, you're not supposed to detail that way. But look, man, we're a 5-star detailing company. Come on, man. We getting paid out here. We getting money. Loving it. Enjoy this. You know, it's starting to get cold, but we still pushing through. You know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for watching. Hustle never settle. Catch you guys in the next video. Stay positive, stay humble, stay hungry. Let's go.